If you're evaluating ERP software for manufacturing and looking for a system that can handle complex to-order operations without an exorbitant price tag, this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down Visibility ERP, one of the leading ERPs for manufacturers, including where it shines and what it's best suited for in 2026. This video is sponsored by Visibility, but as always, we're keeping things fair, data-backed, and buyer first. Let's dive in. What is Visibility ERP? Visibility ERP is a manufacturing-focused ERP. It's used across industries like aerospace and defense, fabricated metals, industrial machinery, electronics, energy, and more. At a high level, Visibility ERP brings together manufacturing and shop floor control, inventory and material planning, job costing and project accounting, quoting, estimating and order management, core financials and reporting, and more. Visibility supports cloud, on-premise, and hybrid deployments, which is increasingly rare for manufacturers with specific security, compliance, and IT requirements. It's typically adopted by small to mid-sized manufacturers that need strong operational control but don't want the cost or implementation burden of larger enterprise ERP systems. Visibility ERP, key features and differentiators. Here's where Visibility ERP stands out in 2026. Job costing and project visibility. Visibility ERP is built for manufacturers that need to track profitability at the job, work order, and project level. Real-time job costing allows teams to see margin performance before month end, so problems can be corrected ASAP. Scheduling and shop floor control. Visibility's platform includes drag and drop scheduling tools, barcode-enabled labor tracking, and work-in-process visibility. Dispatch boards help identify bottlenecks and balance workloads across machines and work centers. Quoting, estimating, and engineering integration. Visibility ERP supports detailed estimating with labor, material, and overhead costing, especially valuable for ETO and custom manufacturers. Plus, CAD and BOM integrations reduce manual data entry and help connect engineering changes directly to production. Financials with real-time insight. Visibility provides project-based accounting, multi-currency support, and real-time financial reporting. Instead of waiting for month-end closes, finance teams can monitor revenue, cost, and margin continuously. Customization and flexibility. Visibility ERP is known for its user-defined fields and configurable workflows, allowing manufacturers to adapt the system to their processes rather than forcing process changes to fit the software. Overall, Visibility ERP is a manufacturing-first system, not an all-in-one business suite. Themes from Visibility ERP reviews and case studies. Based on SelectHub's analysis and third-party review data, Visibility ERP earns an impressive 86% user satisfaction rating across G2, Gartner Peer Insights, Capterra, and more. Here are several consistent themes across reviews. Faster reporting and real-time control. Manufacturers repeatedly cite dramatic reductions in reporting time. For example, Allvac Technologies reduced month-end financial reporting to 5% of the time it previously took and gained real-time visibility into revenue and costs at the work order level. Meaningful productivity gains. Visibility customers often report double-digit productivity improvements. For example, Campbell Wrapper reported significant efficiency improvements by centralizing scheduling, inventory, and production data, and Allvac improved productivity by approximately 25% with less effort. Better control over complex manufacturing environments. Customers highlight Visibility's strength in mixed mode and global operations. For example, TransCore leveraged Visibility ERP to improve cross-site coordination and manufacturing control in complex regulated environments. Multi-currency handling, custom fields, and role-based access helped organizations maintain compliance while improving operational agility. Improved access to data across teams. Many manufacturers consistently mention improved access to data across finance, engineering, inventory, and customer service. Teams gain self-service access to order history, BOMs, pricing, and production status, reducing internal handoffs and delays. Analyst takeaway. Who should consider Visibility ERP? Visibility ERP is a strong fit if you are a to-order or project-based manufacturer, need real-time job costing and margin visibility, want flexible deployment options, for example, cloud, on-prem, or hybrid, need customization without rebuilding your ERP, want strong manufacturing control without enterprise ERP costs. It may not be ideal for businesses seeking embedded AI-driven analytics at no additional cost, companies focused on process or repetitive manufacturing rather than to order manufacturing, are seeking deep CRM, HR, or payroll functionality inside your ERP. Bottom line, Visibility ERP continues to resonate with manufacturers who value control, flexibility, and financial transparency, especially those that have outgrown entry-level systems but don't want to overbuy. Check out the links in the description to schedule a demo with Visibility directly and access side-by-side comparisons in SelectHub's platform. I'm Devin Hennig with SelectHub. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.